About a year and a half ago, I was diagnosed with slightly high blood pressure. So I ended up being sent home to get one of these, and yeah, this has definitely helped a lot. It Bluetooth, so it will pair with an app on my phone to track my blood pressure, and the app I have on my phone actually will send it to my doctor for them to keep coming to monitor it. It's not the app you have to use, but that's one I'm using, and yeah, it's come in really handy. It helped me get my blood pressure down. Just being able to see what I'm seeing what my blood pressure is that comes in really handy. It has several memory locations, so you can store it, and can recall your blood pressure, which comes in handy if you take your blood pressure and you then you realize you want to track it with your app. You can just go to the memory location, and you can go to the memory location, and then you can turn the Bluetooth app on your phone and do it that way. I don't remember how many memory locations it has. It has several. I've never had to use more than, let's see, we're up to 20 now. So 21, 22, yeah, it's got quite a few. As you can see here, I'm going to show you my blood pressure there. As you can see here, the numbers are quite large, and it's lit, so you can see it in a dark room. And if you have vision as horrible as I do, you can see it quite well. I can see it from quite a distance there. And so, yeah, if you're looking for a good, high quality blood pressure monitor, blood pressure cup, I would highly suggest this one. It's worked out really well for me. I've had no problems with it. Of course, you just put the cup on your arm and push the button, and it'll take your blood pressure. And if you have the Bluetooth app, it'll. I always take my blood pressure. Take my blood pressure before I tell the app to get my blood pressure. It'll show on the display that is syncing with Bluetooth there. Yeah, so if you're looking for a good quality Bluetooth monitor, you want to track your blood pressure, you want to send it back to your doctor for whatever reason, this one has really worked for me. It comes with the AC adapter. I don't know where that is right now, but it also has batteries. This one takes 4 AAA batteries. I haven't had to change them that much. It doesn't kill batteries as much as you think it would. So yeah, it's I've been really happy with it. I've had it for a little over a year, and I've dropped my blood pressure significantly since I got it through diet and exercise. But being able to track things kind of helps. Like, I know if I eat a lot of salt in a day that my blood pressure is going to be a little higher the next day thanks to this. So you can kind of get in your mind the cause and effect of why your blood pressure is high. And yeah, I like having it. You can disconnect the cup here. I guess you could replace it if you need to, probably buy extra ones. Yeah, good little blood pressure monitor. I've had it for a while, and I've had no problems with it. It always gives me a pretty accurate reading. When I go have my blood pressure checked at the doctor, it seems to be pretty consistent with this. The readings are accurate. So if you're looking at this and you think you need it for some reason, you probably know why you need it. I think you'll do good by buying this one. This is not expensive, and yeah, it does a really good job. So if you're on the page, go ahead and hit the buy now button. I think you'll appreciate it as much as I do. And you have a good day. Take care.